Hey everyone, let's try this again. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. Sorry about that. It looks like my internet is kind of, I don't know if it's the internet or the app I'm using. So tonight I'm going to be starting our part one of a three-part series for Halloween. So let me get this all set up. Wrong screen. Let's go there. And then actually we're going to make this one up here. All right, so hi everyone, welcome. So hopefully we are going to be able to get through this without it freezing. And unfortunately, I can't see your comments. So when you come in, please make sure you do say hello. Let me know you're watching, whether you're watching live or you're watching the replay. Give me a hashtag replay. I greatly want to welcome you, so I will come back at the end and say hello to everyone. And this is going to be a quick little project anyway. So we are going to be doing 2 coffee mugs or hot cider mugs or cocoa mugs, whatever you want to call. We're going to decorate these for Halloween using our Chalk Couture transfers, and today we're going to be using our inks. So this is going to be fun, and I'm going to explain how this is going to work. So for those of you that are new, let me just tell you, this is called Chalk Couture. So Chalk Couture is a revolutionary concept in home decor and crafting that you're not going to find anywhere else. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers, and I'm going to show you that in a minute and talk about it. We have Chalkology chalk paste, and then we have our Couture inks, which are a permanent ink that I'm going to be using for the design today. And then we do offer several different surfaces. So we do have chalkboards, we have wooden frame, box frames, we have canvases, we have some totes, but you can use our products on many surfaces like wood, windows, dry erase boards, canvases, pillowcases, ceramics, and so many more. But the best thing that we do offer is the opportunity to join this company for just $99. And if you're interested in becoming a part of our team, whether you like to craft and host parties, or whether you want to do this strictly on the internet or sell at local boutiques for vendor shows, I would love to share that information with you. Just comment info or me below, and I'll make sure I get you that information after our video today. All right, so like I said, we offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. Now you can purchase all of these transfers, the chalk paste, the squeegees, right on my website. I will tell you, we don't sell these coffee mugs. I actually got these online, but this is just one really cool thing that you can do using our products is you can create your own custom mugs. So the transfers, right on the back of each and every one of our transfers, should you buy them right online on my website, which is chalkinwithjen.com, tells you exactly how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. So when we're done with this, we're going to set this in a tub of water. We're going to clean it off with a Clorox wipe, and then it's going to air dry, and I'll be able to put it right back on my carrier sheet. And I usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one of these transfers. So it's really awesome that you can create designs over and over again, doing different colors. You can make beautiful gifts for family and friends. So it's really, really awesome. All right, so I'm going to be using 2 different transfers. This one is called, sorry, I forgot to get the names. This one is called Halloween Fun, and this one is obviously called Eek, Boo, and Spooky. So I am going to use, I'm not quite sure which ones I want to use yet. That's the only thing. I knew I was going to do it, but I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. And wait till you see what the other 2 parts of this series is going to be. You're going to love it. If you love to decorate for fall, or if you love to decorate for Halloween, like we love to decorate for Halloween. My husband loves it. He wishes he could do a lot more, but we do what we can. We definitely have a lot of great transfers for you. We have transfers for Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall, and of course the upcoming season for Christmas. So, all right. Now the only thing I want to tell you about is if you're doing something on mugs, just make sure that you read what kind of mugs you use, because there is a type of mug out there that has a special powder on it that you do not want to put things in your oven. These are fine, because once I'm done, I'm going to put this in my oven because it needs to be heat set to make it permanent. Okay, so we're going to talk about that as we go. So I think for this one, I'm going to do Boo on one side and then the little ghost on the other. So that's going to be that one. And then I think I'm actually going to put the little pumpkin on this side. Or do I want to do, would it be crazy to kind of do this in, no, I want to go with the pumpkin only because it's yellow. And then I'm going to put Eek on the other side. Although I know I could match it up. I don't know. We'll see. And I can't ask you guys because I'm not able to see your comments. So like I said, please make sure when you're coming in, please make sure you're saying hello so I can greet you after the video today. And then also, if you do like what you see, please make sure you share. In the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. I always greatly appreciate it when somebody shares my video and lets others know and learn more about Chalk Couture. All right, so these are our inks that we have, and they are a permanent ink. So I'm using white, and then this one is called Papaya. So this is going to be my orange color that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to set this here. Now on my transfers, I always want to make sure I write on the back. So this is a ghost. This one says boo. And then I'm going to do, oh gosh, I really want to do beware, but it's going to drive me, it's going to drive me crazy if I don't do the spider with the Eek, just because it matches, and I'm kind of funny that way. I like things to match, but that's okay. It'll still be cute. All right, so I'm just writing on the back so I know which side is the back. And oh gosh, I spelled spider wrong right on live Facebook. How crazy am I? I'm going to remove my transfer from the backing. I'm going to save this and put this aside because again, these are all reusable, okay? I'm going to apply my transfer right to the area that I want it. I'm going to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within the silk screen area of my transfer. So in this area right here where you can see through, this is all silk screen. And this is the beauty of our products that allow us to be able to reuse these over and over again. I'm going to take my squeegee. Now we do offer several different squeegees right on my website, but this is just a basic squeegee. This is our small squeegee that I cut. I'm going to dip it in my ink. And when you do get our inks, honestly, you guys, not like the chalk paste, it's a lot smoother and creamier. You usually don't need to mix those whatsoever. But it is permanent, so make sure you're not getting it on your clothes and things like that. It'll come out if you get it off like quick right away, but if you don't, it can definitely become permanent. So I'm just going to scrape this across the silk screen area. And again, you can go up or down, side to side, doesn't matter. You definitely want to make sure you're applying pressure so that you get it through the silk screen onto the surface that you are inking on. Say hi, Matthew.
Hi.
Everybody can't see us. There's a problem with my comments, babe, so kind of just winging it, and we'll say hi to them afterwards.
Okay.
All right. And then you're just going to remove your transfer. Oh, gosh. Look how cute. Aww. That looks so cute. Now I'm just taking that transfer and putting it in my tub of water off to the side. And there you go. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. All right, so I'm actually going to set this one aside for 1 second before I do the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and do our Eeky spider. Eek. I don't know about you guys, but Matthew likes Halloween. We do like Halloween here, don't we, buddy?
Candy.
Candy. But you don't eat all kind of candy, honey. You're kind of picky when it comes to candy. All right. Okay. So I'm just smoothing this out so that there are no air bubbles in that silk screen area. I'm going to open my Papaya ink, and it's brand new. These are our 3-ounce jars. We have, like I said, we carry this in ink and chalk paste. And oh my gosh, I can't get it open.
Do you want me to try?
No, babe, I'll get it.
Give me.
No, I got it. I'll get it. I get it. Okay, I'm just sticking my finger in it. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm just using the scissors. Little technical difficulty there, right?
And then the scissors don't work.
Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this exact. I'm just gonna use this exact knife. And then that doesn't work. Okay, I'm just gonna use a saw.
Oh my goodness.
That's.
Yeah, okay. Craziness. This one's really stuck on there. Oh my. All right, I got it off. It's all good. It's a little messy, so I gotta wipe my fingers off before we keep going. The beauty of live. You get to see all the messies. Nothing's perfect, right? Nothing's perfect, except for Matthew.
Kiesel.
And Kiesel. All right, so I got that off of there. I'm just gonna, again, dip my squeegee right in my ink.
You got it on there.
That's okay, we can wipe it off.
I think Kiesel's sleeping.
He probably is, babe. He had a long day.
With throwing up.
Mm-hmm. Pulling the ink across that silk screen area. And then I'll remove this. Oh, so cute already. Ta-da! Put that right in my water. And again, look how cute. Look how cute he is. My little spider. Love it, love it. So make sure you are giving me hearts and stars, even though I can't see it. Those are my favorite thing when I go live, is to make sure you guys really like what you're watching, all right? So let's continue. We're gonna put Boo on the other side of our mug. And how cute would this be for like a teacher's gift, or maybe if you guys do like a local, like a block party where you guys get together for Halloween and somebody makes cider. How awesome would this be to have personalized mugs or cute little mugs like this as their gift when they're coming?
Yeah, Kiesel's sleeping.
Is he sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm just keeping this up like this so that I can get this even on here. And again, just placing it right on my mug. Oh, it's crooked. I got it crooked. Now these all do have an adhesive back, and that's when we talk about cleaning it. The Clorox wipe or the Lysol wipe is what actually reactivates the adhesive on the back when you clean it after it's been placed in water. So that's why you want to clean it with that after it air dries, or before it air dries, I'm sorry. All right, smoothing that out. Now what's really nice about the inks, you guys, is you can make dish towels, you can make t-shirts, you can make pillows. So there's a lot of different things you can do with our inks. And then what you do is you heat set them to make it permanent. Uh-oh, I've got a bubble in there. I hope it turns out okay. So once I'm done with these mugs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them dry overnight, okay? And then I'm gonna put them in my oven on 350 for 30 minutes. I'm gonna turn my oven off. I'm gonna let them cool in there until the oven is actually cooled off. Oh guys, look how cute. Oh, the air bubble's good. Yay, look at that. Look how cute that is. And you could fill this with little candy corns or something like that to give it as a neighbor gift or a teacher gift. Perfect. But to get back to what I was saying, I'm gonna totally let this cool in my oven, and then once I take it out, this will be permanent. So then I'll be able to wash it in my dishwasher. I'll be able to wash it by hand, either one. And that's what's really awesome about our new inks that we just released.
Don't you mean heat in the oven?
What did I say?
Cool.
Yeah, you're gonna let it cool though, babe, after
You
heat set it. Correct. Got it? Makes sense? Did I say it right? These are cute, huh, Matthew? They're turning out pretty good, babe. Looks nice?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. He says it looks nice.
Is this one that
So-
we're doing tomorrow?
I don't know if it'll be tomorrow. One of them are going to be tomorrow. We're going to show them that at the end of the video of the other projects, because this is our 3-part series for Halloween. So again, I'm getting my papaya ink, pulling it across the silk screen area, scraping off any excess because you don't want to waste anything. And if you guys do have questions, like I said, I apologize. I cannot see if you're there saying hello, but I will answer them when I go through the comments after the end of the video. Oh gosh, I love this color on here. That looks so amazing, you guys. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, but something glass broke.
Okay. Sorry, something just broke in our basement. I have no clue. So there you go. There's my little ink mug I don't know if you guys can see that ink with my little spider. So like I said, what I'm going to do is these are going to dry overnight. Wait a minute. Let me make sure you guys can see it. Let me go like this. Here we go. We've got our boo in our ink, or ink. Flip it over. Our ink and our boo. And they are super cute, but these are going to go in my oven tomorrow on 350 for 30 minutes. I'll let them cool, and then my design is permanent. So that is it for our part 1 of our 3-part series, you guys. So the other things, just to show you real quick, we are going to be doing another ink project. I'm going to be using a tote bag. So I'm going to do a trick-or-treat tote bag with our, it's very large. Here, let me go like this. I don't know if you can see it up here, but this is, I'm only in it for the candy. So that's going to be the other transfer we're going to be doing. And then the last project is going to be a cute sign that we're going to be able to put on our front door. It's going to say Wicked, the witch is in or out, and I'm going to use our 2 little things to make a little magnet to put in or out on. And then we're going to use some cute little spider webs. So that's going to be our 3-part series, so you know what's coming up over the next week. And if you have any questions, let me know. So if you're interested, like I said, if you're interested in purchasing, you can do all that right on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. If you are interested in learning more about the business opportunity, whether you want to do this where you can do live videos like me, host a sip and chalk or make and take, or if you just want to sell your finished designs, you can absolutely do that, you guys. Just comment info or me below, and I would love to share that with you. So I hope you love our first project of our Ink and Boo cider mugs. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I will reply to your comments when I see them after we get off the live tonight. And I hope you have a fantastic spooky evening. Happy chalking.